আমি নিয়ে আসছি তোমাকে ক্লোজার। Hi everyone, today we are in Ikea, so I'm documenting all my today's Ikea moment with my kids. My elder daughter, she's enjoying her meal, and my little one is here and she's being naughty. We took meal, this is cauliflower, grated cauliflower with some gravy and my favorite salmon fish and a shrimp cutlet which already been eaten and some chickens, and my daughter is really liking her shrimp nugget with little rice and some salsa. So I'm frying salmon fish with my gravy. It's so delicious. This is something new I'm trying here. Before I tried, smashed potato with salmon, but this time I tried this grated cauliflower and with salmon and gravy, and it's very nutritious and healthy. We really enjoy Ikea meal a lot. Tanu is enjoying her meal. She loves white rice, and she's bit Indian and bit Chinese now, sometimes eating with chopstick and sometimes with hand. With this? Okay, Mama. Cheers. Cheers. Happy Diwali.
Mama's special request on request of broccoli.
Yeah, here is broccoli. Okay, here. Try. Tanu always love this juice. Right, Mama?
Baba juice.
Tanu loves this juice.
It's a sauce. It's a kind of sauce.
No more sauce. Here has sauce. Do you want to try? No, tomato sauce nahi. Finish. ভালো করে।
এটা দিয়ে স্ক্যান করে নিয়ে আসবো।
আচ্ছা না।
যদি মিনি ওভার চাকটা।
Try.
যদি একটা দিয়ে দিই। Sunu mama একটা penguin নিয়ে নাও।
You want octopus? But it's scary.
Oh. বাবা, তানু বউয়ের পিঠে বসেছে। ও বাবা। শোনো বসে পারো বাঘের পিঠে। এইদিকে দেখো, সোনুর অবস্থা দেখো।
Moms like me, you can buy this one. This is something very useful. You can place all your toys here because my house is always mess around, so it's helpful to organize. this is for, if you want to train your kids for potty training, and this is very, very helpful. And the kids, when they are 2 years old, toddler, they're scared of poo time and pee time, and this will help you. This tool is very much helpful, and my kids love this one, and they go for pee by themselves, and this tool is such a problem solving product. Another product I must recommend it. This is called Divita in Chinese, and it's actually feeding time. You can feed your baby here, and you can feed them very properly. No need to mess up with the whole food around, and they actually enjoy the meal a lot. This helps me a lot for my kids. They are ready to eat, and this is just the best thing I have ever had for my kids. এরকম করে দাও, পুক পুক। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, হুইল। Oh, look at my baby, what she's doing. Oh my god, look at her, she's go crazy. Oh my god. Kwadian. Shopping, I am resting here. I'm so tired. I walk a lot with my kids, and now they are playing here in this place. They are playing Barbie dolls. I think they are having some activities here with Barbie toys, and my kids are having fun there, and I am taking rest over here. I don't know where they are. I think they are inside. Yeah, they are sitting there, and they are playing with Barbies, and I'm chilling. Their activity is finished now, so they are closing their Barbie doll house and all the photo shoot session. My kids are still playing and enjoying their time. They don't understand it's already ended. Before it was so crowded, and now somehow they managed to play here, and they are saying they are closing. So it's finished. Okay guys, I'm also ending my video here. Let my kids play around. I will enjoy with them, and I will upload this video. I hope you guys like this video, Ikea video. Ikea in China, it's a place in Panyu district. It's very famous Ikea among the Guangzhou. So if you travel here, must visit here. So that's it. See you again. Bye bye.